many people now are wondering why it is that we have the Constitution, which provides for us the Bill of Rights, and you know, when we have things such as this freedom of speech and the right to assembly, why are we getting why are those rights being taken from us? How can they be taken from us? Well, I have here in front of me my copy of the Constitution, which is basically butchered because there's things that are altered by the 16th and 17th Amendments. And originally, Section 8 of the Constitution defined the powers of Congress, and number 5 tells us that the power of Congress is to coin money, regulate the value thereof, and of foreign coin, and fix the standard of weights and measures. You and I know that Congress doesn't do that anymore, and that happened in 1913 when the Federal Reserve Act happened, a bill that was drafted by Nelson Aldrich and some bankers. And so you have to think to yourself, well, why is it that they took away this Bill of Rights? And it's not really that they did that, it's that when they had to make the Federal Reserve and begin printing the fiat money, they had to come up with a new Constitution. And they're very eager to show you the Constitution that I have in front of me, or the Bill of Rights, because then you think, hey, this applies to me. Well, the fact is if you're using a dollar that is not regulated by Congress, then you're using a Constitution that is not the one that I have here in front of me, the one that they show you all the time. You need a new Constitution to go with the new type of money. And that's what they did, is they are running and they're operating under a different Constitution, one that you don't know. It's kind of like they make it up as they go along, much like the Supreme Court did very recently when they passed Obamacare. So you see, when you use a fiat dollar, you have no right to ask for the Bill of Rights, since you're using an unconstitutional dollar. Now, if you want the Bill of Rights, you would have to not use their money. But when you use their money, you're asking for their Constitution, and you're asking an awful lot from them.